Planning to buy the new Tata Tiago, but confused between Smart, Pure, Pure Plus A, Creative and Creative Plus variants? In this video, I'll explain every Tata Tiago Persona one by one, highlighting the features you get at each step so you can decide which variant offers the best value for your money. Let's begin with the base variant. Smart Persona. The journey starts with the Smart Persona. Even as the entry-level variant, Tata has packed several important safety and comfort features. You get 6 airbags as standard, making safety a top priority. The Smart variant also comes with a digital island cluster, Fabricia Lux dashboard finish, Sport Lux steering wheel, LED tail lamps, and premium fabric seats with thigh support. For convenience, you get reverse parking sensors, tilt steering adjustment, manual air conditioning, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and seatbelt reminders for all seats. Additionally, ABS with EBD and corner stability control are included. If you're looking for the most affordable Tiago while still getting strong safety credentials, Smart is a solid starting point. Pure Persona. Next comes the Pure Persona, which builds upon the Smart variant. The biggest addition here is the digital island cluster with Bluetooth connectivity. You also get full wheel covers, a height-adjustable driver's seat, rear defogger, steering-mounted audio controls, and electrically adjustable ORVMs with turn indicators. Comfort improves further with all 4 power windows and central locking with a flip key. AMT buyers additionally receive a rotary gear selector and paddle shifters. This variant strikes a good balance between affordability and everyday convenience. Pure Plus Persona. Moving up, we have the Pure Plus Persona. This is where the Tiago starts feeling much more premium. The highlight is the 20.32 cm touchscreen infotainment system. You also get a reverse parking camera, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cruise control, and electronic stability program with traction control. Hill hold control is included for easier driving on slopes. The Pure Plus variant also adds steering-mounted controls, 4 speakers, a fast 65-watt Type-C charger, GPS-enabled shark fin antenna, tire pressure monitoring system, and speed-sensitive auto door locking. If technology and connectivity are important to you, Pure Plus offers excellent value. Pure Plus A Persona. Next is the Pure Plus A Persona. This variant focuses on enhancing comfort and convenience. You get connected halo light bar tail lamps that add a stylish premium look. Inside, Tata adds a fabric touch front armrest with storage, rear AC vents, and fully automatic climate control. Keyless entry and push-button start are also included. The Pure Plus A further adds automatic headlamps, rain-sensing wipers, stylish hyper-style wheels, chrome-finished door handles, and a rear parcel tray on petrol variants. For many buyers, this variant hits the sweet spot between features and price. Creative Persona. Now let's move to the Creative Persona. This is where the Tiago becomes truly feature-rich. The star attraction is the 360-degree HD surround view camera system with multiple viewing angles. You also get a blind view monitor for safer lane changes. The infotainment screen grows to a larger 26.03 cm HD touchscreen. Premium lighting features include Lux Beam LED headlamps and LED daytime running lamps. The Creative variant also receives diamond-cut alloy wheels, auto-folding ORVMs, a cooled glove box, one-touch driver window operation, and magazine pockets. If you want a premium hatchback experience without moving to the top variant, Creative is a fantastic choice. Creative Plus Persona. Finally, we reach the top-spec Creative Plus Persona. This variant includes everything available in the Tiago lineup. You get a dual smartphone dock with wireless charging and Tata's IRA connected car technology, offering more than 35 connected features. Additional upgrades include LED fog lamps, a rear 65-watt Type-C fast charger, and an attractive dual-tone black roof. Creative Plus is designed for buyers who want every available feature and the most premium Tiago ownership experience. So that's the complete Tata Tiago Persona lineup explained. If you're on a budget, Smart and Pure are excellent choices. For the best value for money package, Pure Plus and Pure Plus A stand out. And if you want the most premium experience, Creative and Creative Plus offer advanced technology, superior comfort, and premium styling. Which Tata Tiago Persona would you choose? Let me know in the